Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. In this video, we will be discussing about the major updates we have from SEBI regarding mutual funds and NHPC and BSE stock. So we will discuss the complete details in this video, and in the end of this video, we will do a short analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So stay until the end and like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now moving on to the first update we have from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, regarding mutual funds and ETFs. The Security Exchange and Board of India SEBI has instructed the Association of Mutual Funds of India, that is AMFI, to halt the acceptance of investments into funds that allocate to overseas ETFs. This directive comes just after 2 years after the mutual fund industry utilized its entire $7 billion quota for investing in foreign stocks, prompting overseas mutual funds to stop receiving new investments. Since January 2022, when the $7 billion limit for investing in foreign securities was reached, SEBI had directed fund houses to cease further overseas investments. Now, with the $1 billion limit for investing in overseas ETFs on the verge of being surpassed, SEBI has sent a letter to AMFI dated March 20th of this year outlining this concern. Consequently, mutual fund schemes in India that invest in fund of funds or ETFs targeting overseas ETFs must halt new investments. Currently, there are 77 such mutual fund schemes operating in India. The previous $7 billion cap imposed on other overseas funds remains in effect. Now moving on to the second update we have from BSE. BSE shares surged by as much as 10% in a single day and an impressive 409% over the past year. A significant catalyst for this surge was a rating upgrade by brokerage firm Investec. They recommended a buy rating on BSE stock with a price target of 2,800 rupees, indicating a potential upside of 38% from the last closing price. Furthermore, BSE's inclusion in key indices like Nifty Midcap 150, Nifty Midcap 100 boosted investor confidence. The exchange replaced PSU firm IREDA due to compliance issues with SEBI portfolio concentration norms. Investec cited robust growth in equity derivatives volumes and a threefold increase in options market share as primary reasons for the rating upgrade. They anticipate further margin improvements and market share gains in subsequent quarters. Despite a slight dip in slightly quarterly profit, BSE reported strong operating revenue growth, up by 18% quarter-on-quarter and an impressive 82% year-on-year. Analysts project a significant revenue and profit growth trajectory, primarily driven by the derivative segment. Analysts from Motilal Oswal and HSIE Institutional Research maintain positive outlooks on BSE's stock, with price targets ranging from 2,725 rupees to 3,050 rupees. They emphasize the potential for revenue growth and earnings expansion in the coming years. In conclusion, BSE Limited's recent performance highlights its strong position in the market, driven by factors such as derivative market traction, options market share, and inclusion in key indices. Analysts remain optimistic about its future prospects, projecting continued growth in revenue and earnings. Now moving on to the third update we have from NHPC. Today, NHPC shares experienced a significant surge of over 2% during early morning trade, driven by the announcement that the company's board is scheduled to convene on March 27th. They will discuss the possibility of raising debt during the financial years 2023 and 24 and 24 and 25. In response to this news, NHPC shares opened higher for the second consecutive session, reaching 83.90 rupees. This marked a 1.2% increase from the previous day's closing price of 82.92 rupees on the BSE. As a result, the market capitalization of NHPC rose to 85,081 crore rupees. Despite currently trading 36% below its all-time high of 115 rupees, NHPC shares have displayed remarkable resilience. They have surged by an impressive 125% from their 52-week low of 38.70 rupees recorded on March 28th of this 2023 year. NHPC recently received a letter of intent from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited for a 200 megawatt solar power project. Furthermore, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for a 1200 megawatt ultra renewable energy power park in Uttar Pradesh. Additionally, PM Modi initiated a 300 megawatt solar power plant in Rajasthan, contributing to the government's renewable energy objectives. In a demonstration of its commitment to shareholder value, NHPC declared an interim dividend of 1.40 rupees per share for financial year 2024. This underscores the company's dedication to providing returns to its investors. In its third quarter report, NHPC reported a 26.77% decline in consolidated net profit. However, despite this setback, the company remains optimistic about its future prospects. With several ambitious projects in the pipeline and a steady, fast commitment to growth, NHPC continues to assert its position as a key player in India's energy sector. Now, before moving on to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio, and also hit the bell icon to get updates daily. So we can see Nifty has opened a huge gap up opening in the morning, and after that it has consolidated a bit sometime, and after that it has given the breakout of the day high, and we can see a fresh day high formation of 22,080 points, and after that we can see a sharp selling move to the downside, which was a day low of 21,941 points, and again it regained some buying momentum and closed in the evening at 22,014 points. So for tomorrow, we can expect that day high may act as a strong resistance and the closing price may act as a resistance if Nifty opens gap down opening, that is anything below the closing price and the day low, then closing price may act as a strong resistance as it is around 20,000 round figure level. But if Nifty opens anything above the closing price and the day high, the 22,000 level and the closing price may act as a strong support. But if it fails to hold the market, if Nifty breaks the closing price, the day low may act as a strong support further level. Now when coming to Bank Nifty has opened a huge gap up like Nifty in the morning, and after that it consolidated a bit and gave a breakout which led to the formation of a new day high, which is 46,990 points. And after that we can see sharp selling move originating from the day high, and it has formed a new day low which is 46,570 by breaking down the previous day high. So in the end, Bank Nifty closed at 46,679 points. So for tomorrow, the day closing price and the day low may act as a strong resistance if Bank Nifty opens below the day low. So if anything below the day low and closing price, this level may act as a strong resistance. But if Bank Nifty opens a gap up opening tomorrow, then the closing price and the day low may act as a good support area. But the day high may act as a strong resistance because it was around 47,000 round figure level and it was the previous day high as well. That's all we have for today. If you really like this video at any point of time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon and comment down your views and opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.